Ang tender ng beef sa dish na to. This is beef with broccoli, favorite kong order na sa mga Chinese restaurants. Ang secret para sa malambot na beef, isusok muna natin sa 1/4 teaspoon baking soda for 10 minutes. Tapos, iwawash off natin yung baking soda para hindi mapait. Then, marinate na natin sa soy sauce, black pepper, and cornstarch. Mas maganda to i-marinate overnight pero 1 hour lang pwede na. Next is the sauce. Simple lang din yung ingredients nito. Nakalist sa video pero kung gusto nyong i-adjust according to your preference, pwede naman. Since it's been raining non-stop lately, I've been spending more time in the kitchen. At sabi ko nga, ito yung usual na in-order ko sa mga Chinese restaurant. Sarap na sarap ako dito. This homemade version turned out so good. The beef was super tender. Follow nyo lang yung instructions na binigay ko. The broccoli still had that nice crunch. Although para sa kids ko, mas gusto nila yung mas malambot pa. And the garlicky savory sauce, konti lang yung ingredients pero napakasarap na. The sauce ties this dish all together. After natin ma-stir fry yung beef, i-stir fry natin yung aromatics natin which is onions, garlic, and ginger. Next, halo na natin yung sauce na ginawa natin. To make it thicker, gawa lang tayo ng slurry. Kailangan dahan-dahan yung pag-add para hindi mamuo yung sauce para din makuha mo yung desired thickness ng sauce na gusto mo. See, sobrang bilis lang lutuin ito, di ba? Once done, pwede na nating ihalo yung blanched broccoli and beef. Make sure that everything is coated with the sauce. Smells so good. Don't forget to finish off with a drizzle of sesame oil. Comforting, flavorful, and perfect for this cozy weather. Kayang-kaya mo ring lutuin to.